want kitty teddy? Oh, she knows. I want kitty teddy. So this, look at it. Isn't it weird? Look how it like went like zigzags. There. There you go. Right, okay, day 13 is this little snowman here, isn't it? Good morning, welcome to day 13. Oh, I've just put all my lotions and potions on. I'm still a bit puffy off being asleep. Oh, it's early. What time is it? Oh, well, now it's like 7:05, so we need to drive to work. So let's go to work. We've made it to work. It is 8:10. Just a bit of traffic on the way in. No reason. I didn't dilly-dally. It was just a bit of traffic. I thought it would be quieter. There was lots of tractors out. I don't know why. Like, I know farmers get up early, but like, please stay off the roads. It's annoying. Anyway, right, we're gonna go in. I've got any guesses as to what today's snack is? Of course, it's eggs. Always eggs. Right, I'm getting funny looks off children, so I'm gonna have to go because it may say you're vlogging. All right, what time are we on? 10:53. It's break time shortly. Right, I am prepared for the rest of the day. I am pretty much prepared for Monday. Everything's printed, prepped. Because I want to get away. Like, I just want to go home. I want to sit on my sofa and chill. Just chill. Crochet, work on my new cardi. I think, what did I do yesterday? It was about 1 hour and 20 minutes I did on my cardi so far. And that got me to 13 rows. So we need to get up to 40 rows on the back. But I'll measure it against other half and myself. Yeah, I've eaten my lunch already because I was starving and it's only 10 o'clock. I'm gonna have to go and get a snack from the where the hot food place. So I might at dinner time I'll go and get a snack. Yeah, I've got what am I teaching? 3 more lessons today. This is my planning period, but like I say, I'm planned, I'm prepped, I'm done. Yeah, I've just got loads of marking to do. Yeah, I don't want to take it home though. I should have some free periods next week and I'll be able to do, just looking at next week. Yes, I've got some free periods early next week. The end of next week, I don't get any free periods. The Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it's really hard. But you just got to be organised. You got to be really organised. Oh, right, okay. This is why other areas of my life are pure disorganisation, because all the organisation goes into one area. Anyway, right, I'm tired. I can feel my eyes closing. I'm going to go and get more coffee. And I'm going to go and hide until I am needed for teaching. Right, it's lunchtime. Listen. It's still doing it. Right, I think I'm going to go swimming or something so I can get, you know when you just keep getting water up your nose? I need to. It's annoying me so much. It is now 3:15. Right, I've got a few things to photocopy and then I think I'll be able to get going. Sometimes I'll be like, oh, I've only got like 10 minutes of work to do. And then I end up leaving at like 4:15. Right, period 5 on a Friday is always very challenging. Light! I'm leaving when it's light. It's still like just before 4 o'clock. Hang on. It's still happening, but I did a massive nose blow. So, oh, right, my voice is going. My patience is going. Everything's going. And I'm going home. Why is it so dark in here? Oh, I feel like I've lost a little bit of weight. I feel like my face is a little bit skinnier. It's probably all the eggs. There's no sugar in them. Anyway, right, I've finished my first skein of this good old-fashioned DK yarn. I have done, let me just count. So on my original chain of 96, you divide it by 3. That is how many clusters you will get. So I have 32 clusters. I love it when the maths. Let me just count the rows. 22, just under 22 rows. I lost it, yarn chicken. So that means for this, because I do my back panel as 40 tall, so one more skein of this, which I'm going to go and wind up now, will do the rest of the back panel. So that tells me that maybe a skein and a half for the 2 front panels, and then and then add like half the skein on for the arms. So all in all, less than 6 skeins for this cardigan, which is fabulous. So I'm going to go and I might wind up a couple because I really want to get going on this properly. So yay, that's I think this was 2.5 hours, not even 2.5 hours it's taken to do that half of the back panel, and it feels lovely and it's going to feel amazing when it's blocked. So I'm going to wind this up now. Look how naughty you are, Sneaky. Do you want kitty Telly? Oh, she knows. You want kitty Telly? Oh, you are so funny. We've ordered some tea. I'm 25, 26 rows in now. I've just kept going. It's no longer doing the stripes. It's kind of higgledy-piggledy itself back up now. So, right, we've got a pizza coming because look, it's paying off. I've lost a bit of weight this week. So pizza's coming. I mean, you can double chins. Let's just hide those. A few chippies. Diet Coke. So we don't want too many calories. When you see the size of this pizza. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna try not to order a dessert because there's my normal treat every single day when I'm on any kind of diet is I get either cashew nut butter or I get pistachio nut butter, and I literally have 1 spoon of the nut butter as my dessert every day I do. It's my one sweet thing every day. It's like a spoon of nut butter, not peanut butter because it's disgusting. I just thought maybe I want music because I'll actually show you how fast I am at granny stitch. I mean, not to toot me own horn, but like I've done so much granny stitch in my little crochet career that it's my favourite stitch, and I can just do it with my eyes shut, just like this. This is why my cardigans only take anywhere between 8 to 10 hours to be complete. Anyway, you're having a good time. Be comfy in there. If it was Sneaky, Sneaky would be like attacking the yarn. But you're good. You can't be bothered now. What a shame. You need a brush again. Look at this.
Did you get the red chicken as well?
Huh? I got chips as well. Do you want to put that pizza down? That's a big pizza.
It's a massive pizza. The door is still open. I know.
Make sure the cat didn't get out. Do you want to look at me pizza that I've ordered?
Wash my hands first.
Ooh. Hang on a sec. I put half red chicken and half pepperoni and pineapple. Yes, it looks like the bag I made. They've just sprinkled the red chicken on top of the pepperoni and pineapple. Oh my god, I'm actually drooling. Right, I'm going to enjoy this. Oh, I'm drooling. Right, we have finished the back panel. So this, look at it. Isn't it weird? Look how it like went like zigzags and then straight and then zigzags. Quite bizarre. Yeah, don't know what happened there. It's fun anyway. I like how it does that. That's really cool. I couldn't see the pattern, but now looking in the camera, I can actually see its proper colour pooled. I just don't know what happened in the middle. Anyway, if it was to do that on the front panels and match up, that would be cool, but I don't think it will. Anyway, I've used a full ball, and then that's what's left of this one. So it was less than 2 to get me like this width, which was a chain of 96 and then 40 rows. So for the back panel, it's kind of similar to what I do with most of my cardies. I'll like get the piece in the middle for my neck. So basically, I subtract 4 from however many clusters I've got like this, and then I will, because that's for my neck, and then I'll divide that by 2. So there was 32 clusters here, so that'll be the top. Yeah, so 32 subtract 4 is 28, divide that by 2 is 14. So when I'm making my front panels, they have to be 14 granny clusters, and to get the chain, you have to times that by 3. Oh my god, what's 3 times 14, darling? I can't even think. 42.
Sorry, 3 times?
14.
14.
Yeah, 42.
Yeah, 42.
Oh, I was right, thank god. It is my job. Anyway, right, so I need to make 2 panels, chain 42, and then do 40 rows upwards. So that's what I'm going to work on next, but I think I'll do that kind of overnight. I need to go and edit this for you because members get this like around 11 p.m, midnight. That's just when I finished doing it. And then it's like live for them. And then at 2 p.m, like, you know, all my regular subscribers, they get it at 2 p.m. And people who are not subscribed as well. But if you're not subscribed, do consider subscribing for all the shenanigans. And then if you hit notifications, you get to see when this jazzy cardie's finished, which hopefully should be Sunday, maybe Monday. But right, okay, I'm going to go and go upstairs and we're going to do today's advent skein, and then I guess I'll just keep working on this after that. So let's go upstairs and find that skein. Right, okay, day 13 is this little snowman here. Isn't he cute? Right, I haven't peeped on this one. I mean, obviously I'm tall, I can see what's in the other ones, but I'm purposely not looking. 13 snowman, let's have a look. Ooh, a bit more of a purpley one today. Ooh, this pleases me. Right, to the desk. Why are you meowing at me? I'm being meowed at. Everybody wants to see the skein and you're busy meowing. Come here. Come here. I think she's going a bit deaf and blind, to be honest. Come here. Yeah. Come on. Up there. I'll put her there. There. There you go. Happy kitty. She's really annoyed because this is her favourite place to sleep in the house. The chair is warm. I booted her off the chair. I'll only be 2 minutes, baby. I'm sorry. I know I've pinched your chair. Such a bougie cat on she sleeps on a leopard print high heel. Don't you? Your favourite place. So cute. Right, you want to see the skein. Right, we'll have to show them. You having a look? Oh, she can hear Sneaky clawing at the door. Right, the skein. Here it is. I've just realised I have rubbed it on the cat, but there's no cat here. Oh, I've got one that's got more dark purples. This pleases me because we seem to have had a lack of purples lately. Let me just grab this. Oh, if you like me clip, I do have a tutorial how to make this clip. And I was debating, should I make the clip with some of these? If I have some left over, I might. Because they're really easy. You just have to make 6 flowers. And I'll show you how to attach them without using any glue. You literally just use like more yarn. So yeah, if you like that, I'll link it down below. Because it's a cute thing. Even the kids at school were like, where did you buy that? And I was like, I made this. So this is the riff-raff so far. I think I'm going to have to get a bigger needle, to be honest. And then here is today's, so we'll see kind of where it fits in. If you haven't, I'm just peeping through. Yeah, it's let me have a look at this. If I hold it there, we'll look at this together. I think it is kind of like, yeah. Oh, it's not as purple as those. Oh no, there. Yeah, there's a few together. Should we group them together now? Because I mean, I know I've put them in order, but would it look more aesthetic rather than looking like pieces of raw meat on here? Oh, she's back. It would probably look more aesthetic if they weren't higgledy-piggledy. So give me a second and I will just arrange them in some sort of assortment. I think this looks fadey, so let me know what you think now that I've arranged them in a fade. Is that fadey? I mean, this side still looks like I'm hanging kebabs, but like, is that more fadey? Does that look aesthetically pleasing? If I was gonna, I don't even know what I'm gonna make at this point with these. We're gonna have to, how many more days have we got? Like 12 more days to add on to this. I'm gonna have to use 2 knitting needles. There might be more things that will help them blend more, I'm guessing. I think these were towards the bottom and these were towards the top, and then this is kind of the middle. So what it tells me is next time I'm going to have to maybe put more dye like in the centre at the middle. This is actually hurting my hand holding it. It's so heavy. What's 13 times 2? 260 grams of yarn here. So it's a little bit weighty in terms of yarn. It's going to say normally like a normal like ball skein of yarn. Like for example this is 100 grams. So it's like dangling 2 and a bit of those on there, so it is weighty. Speaking of this, because I just showed you what my cardie has got left on the yarn that's attached to it, I'm going to take this, I'm going to skein it up, ball it up, cake it up, that's the one, and I'm going to take it downstairs. I'm going to work on it, but I'm still timing myself, so when I check in with you tomorrow I'll be like, I've now worked on this for blah 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 hours. But yeah, these are pretty nice. I'm very impressed. I think it will, once it's crocheted up into something, probably, I was going to say a virus shawl, but that virus shawl is in timeout until the cardigan's finished. Then we'll go back to the shawl. But yeah, so I don't know, maybe I should put these on Instagram. I haven't been updating on Instagram. Apologies if you follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram thing here. I do put on my stories. I'm just rubbish. I mean, you've seen I'm busy constantly. Like I might look at my phone when I remember to at lunch or break time, but I think I've made more of an effort to pick my phone up at lunch or break because I know I'm doing Vlogmas and I'm giving you guys a little more of an in-depth look into my life. I'm going to put this down because it's really, it's heavy. I'm going to stab it into this yarn. I know it's not aesthetically pleasing stuck there, but It is what it is. It is what it is. We might get a dedicated little place to put my advent yarn next year. This year, it was just a test. Not a test. It was just like, it's the first time I've done a Vlogmas every single day, and it's the first time I've done my own advent like this. I mean, the last time they were literally in a big, huge bag here, and we'll put them. I think, like, I don't know if anything's left from my last year's advent. Maybe a couple of reds, because I got a lot of red. But I do, like, I make loads. If I was to do, like, a video every single day of the year, which I'm not, my word, that would be so much work. But if I was to do that, then you would see, like, everything I do. So me working on this cardi, if I was doing my normal weekly vlogs, I probably wouldn't have shown that pretty much at all. It would have just happened silently in the background. But now, like, you've seen that I'm actually pretty fast at granny stitch. It's my favourite. I can make things so fast in it. Like, if I want, you know, my Mew Mew scarf now, if I want a Mew Mew scarf, which, I mean, I can link that pattern down below if you want to, my Mew Mew scarf tutorial, 90 minutes, I can get a full-on, like floor around your neck, floor length scarf done with 2 or 3 balls of any kind of chunky yarn. So I do love granny stitch. So anyway, right, I'm not going to waffle. I'm not going to take up too much of your time. I hope you've enjoyed Vlogmas today. I'm still really tired of yesterday. I've told other half that if he dares wake me up in the morning, like, because I want to wake up when I wake up. If he dares wake me up by any noise or anything, or if he wakes me up without coffee present, I'll be raging, because I need my beauty sleep. I'm so tired. And what I have found, getting older, because I am on the wrong side of 30, getting older, when I don't get enough sleep, I get really ill. If you'd seen me vlog down to Skegness, to the wool factory, I had it's a cold sore, but I call it a cold slaw. You know, I mean, I call magenta magneta, okay? I have funny words. So if I get really run down and really tired, like you saw me split, that was like I should sleep more. So a nap was had. But yeah, right, I'm gonna go. I hope you've enjoyed this. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Fingers crossed, I will have not only a back panel, but 2 front panels potentially have started on the sleeves to show you, because I am not doing anything tomorrow. I have not brought my marking home. I've done as much as I could at work. Chloe has rejoined us, and I'm gonna chill. I've got 5 whole days left of school. Oh, right, okay, exciting project. Last year, I know I said I was gonna go. I'll go in a minute. Last year, I was making, I think during Vlogmas, tons and tons of granny squares which had a Christmas present in the middle. Now, I can't remember much of last year's Vlogmas. I know that I didn't do it every day because it is a lot. It's a lot of work. I've had to be so organised to be able to do it this year. But yeah, so I had done granny squares. I'm going to dig them out because they're in the totes up there. I've put them somewhere safe with some of them little bags that can grab all the moisture and stuff. So they're safe up in one of those boxes. I'm going to get them down because on Friday coming up at work, we have a staff Christmas jumper competition. And I'm going to make cardigan because when do I not make cardigans? So I'm gonna like just put them all together. Now last year I really liked cardigans that were really long, but this year I'm more into me cropped, like 40 rows of granny stitches enough for me. So I think I'm gonna try and put them together in some kind of cardigan arrangement. So you and I can start doing that Monday or Tuesday if the shawl has not come out of timeout. I mean, I do have Christmas jumpers anyway, but it's a bit of fun. I should have done it last year and I didn't, so I'm gonna try and get it done, because I really should finish the projects that I start. Looking at this has been there for days. Making myself look bad. Anyway, right, I'm going to go. Right, thank you so much if you have watched this far. Drop me a festive emoji in the comments. It is always appreciated. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. That would be so much appreciated as well. There are big plans to make more of the things and everything next year. I'm considering 2 videos a week next year, considering it, because we have been consistent. When I say we, because it's not just me, other half helps so much. We have been very consistent with getting a video out every single Tuesday through 2025, so potentially could look towards doing one of like a vlog or an adventure that we've done over the weekend to a yarn show, and then one more of a vloggy vlog, but I'm not sure. How would you guys feel about that? It'll be hard, but I would do it for you if you want this. Anyway, let me know. Right, I'm going to love you and leave you. Hope you've enjoyed today. Hope you like the skein. I'm excited to see if more purple ones come out because that purple colour is gorgeous. But anyway, that's it from me. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow for day 14. Wow. Anyway, bye!